Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but if you'd like to see how I make these pumpkin spice keto cookies, then just keep watching. So this is my first time making keto cookies. There are so many recipes on the internet, so I just grabbed one and then put my own spin on it. So you're gonna need some butter, that is grass-fed butter, some almond flour. You're also going to need some vanilla extract, as well as some type of sweetener, and I chose to use stevia in the raw. Next, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with foil. So kind of random, but I inserted this clip because the Kerrygold butter now comes in sticks when it only came in a block before, and it has measurements, so pretty helpful. So since I decided to make these cookies on a whim, the butter didn't thaw out long enough, so I did put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then I did add some salt to it because the butter I was using was unsalted. So next, you're just going to mix all your dry ingredients together in a bowl. So you're going to use 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of stevia or sweetener, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Then you're just going to mix it all up and make sure it gets to a dough-like consistency. Then you're just going to roll the balls in your hands and put them onto the greased baking sheet. I just sprayed some olive oil spray onto some tin foil, and this made 9 cookies. And then after that, you're just going to take a fork and smash them down a little bit, and I did it in both directions to give it a little bit of a design. And if you wanted to add something to the cookies, you could do some ground cinnamon or some pumpkin pie spice. In this recipe, I decided to use some pumpkin pie spice, and here you can see me putting it on all the cookies except for 2 of them. And here is the final product. They turned out so good. My 7-year-old son loved them. So just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye!